EveryDrop by Whirlpool Water presents the most innovative and reassuring way to provide you and your family with freshly filtered water. Water at the speed of life. Introducing our advanced generation of ice and water refrigerator filters from EveryDrop by Whirlpool Water. EveryDrop is certified to reduce the most contaminants, including pharmaceuticals, from ordinary tap water. Contaminants like these. And EveryDrop does it with triple filtration technology. How does triple filtration work? First, particle filtration helps block the larger contaminants. Second, microfiltration helps capture the medium-sized contaminants. And third, absorption filtration helps absorb the microscopic contaminants. With triple filtration technology, you'll feel reassured knowing that your water is fresh and you can easily enjoy cleaner water than before. After all, you want cleaner water that tastes great. Plus, it helps you love your world. One filter equals 1,500 plastic water bottles. For maximum contaminant reduction and great taste, replace the filter every 6 months. We'll even remind you. Just sign up at everydropwater.ca. Our full line of advanced EveryDrop filters turns your refrigerator dispenser into a fresh flowing fountain of ice and water. And they're certified to fit these leading refrigerator brands. EveryDrop by Whirlpool Water. Water at the speed of life.